Hello, folks. Welcome to a new episode of Building with Fuzen. Today, we are building a to-do list app connected to our CRM. So, we are going to build a CRM plus to-do list interface, and I'm going to use our AI app builder to do this. So, if you've seen our AI app builder in action previously, you know that this AI generates 70 or 80% of your app. It generates the basic skeleton, and if you want to do some minor changes, you can do it very easily using our no-code tools. So the plan is to get a skeleton up in maybe 2-3 minutes and then use the no-code tools, and our to-do list plus CRM should be ready in maybe 5-10 minutes. So let's see how it works. So I'm going to start by going to our app builder interface. So this is our SaaS app builder, and I'm going to ask it to build a CRM with some to-do list functionality. Now it asks me if I want to customize it for any specific industries, which I don't, so I'm just going to say no. Do I need any integrations with email or calendar? I don't need any integrations for now, but I'm going to ask it for some specific UI requirement, like I want to display the leads in a tabular format. So those are my requirements. Do I need any notifications or reminders for task deadlines? Not for now, maybe later we'll see. So it's given me a summary of my app. So whatever I asked the AI to do, it has summarized it. And now I think it has started to build the app. So it captured my requirements quite correctly, and now it started to build it. Setting up the dashboard page. Okay, so now I think the dashboard page is ready. So it takes us to the dashboard page, and we can see it has created a dashboard to manage leads and tasks. So that's what we asked it to do. We asked it for a CRM for lead management and task management. Task management is basically to-do list. So it did that on the dashboard. Now it has also set up a lead creation form. So the form looks good, but I think it got the header wrong. So header should have been something like lead creation form or create new lead or something, but instead it got it wrong. It's just saying hello world. So I think here AI has not done a good job, but no worries. Once the app is fully set up, we can come back and change that header. Now it is also set up a lead details page, and now it's setting up a task management page. So on lead details, right now we don't see any data because we need to go to the dashboard and click on a particular lead. So then only we'll see something on the lead details. Right now, because we didn't select a particular lead, we don't see anything. But that's not a problem. If we go back to the dashboard, click on a lead, we'll see the lead details page correctly. Okay, so now it has also set up the task management page. And on this page, you can see that we have a form to create a task, and we also have a to-do list interface. And now it's setting up the task details page. So again, for task details also, in order to see some task details, we'll need to first select a task, and then we can see the task details. So I think now it has finished building the app. So we can go back to the dashboard, and on dashboard, I can see two tables, one to manage leads and another one to manage tasks, just like we asked it. Next, what I want to do is I want the lead creation form to be displayed in the menu, because this lead creation form should have been accessible, but AI didn't do it. It didn't add this page in the menu. So I'm going to do that using our no-code tools. I'm just going to go to the edit page settings, and I'll say display this page in the menu, and you can see now it has started displaying the lead creation form in the menu. And on this page, I want to correct the header. So instead of hello world, I'm just going to say add new lead. So this is easier, for at least for me, it's easier to just go and change the text rather than chatting with AI. AI has done a good job. I think it got 90% of my app correct. Just some minor changes needed to be done, like changing the header, adding the page to the menu. And those are easily done with our no-code tools. Now what I want to do is just add a lead. I'm going to add some dummy data, create a new lead, and I want to test the CRM functionality and the to-do list functionality by just adding some data. I'm going to do a test run. So I'm adding some dummy data, and I'm creating a lead. And when I create a lead, it straight away takes me to the lead details page, where I can see the lead's name. I can delete the lead. I can edit the lead details. So this is as expected. I think AI has done a good job over here. If I go back to the dashboard, I can see the new lead. If I click on it, I go to the lead details page. So the CRM functionality is working as expected. Now, if we go to task management, I'm going to do the same thing, just test it out with some dummy task. So I add some text to create a task. So once the task is created, you can see it shows up in my to-do list, and I can click on the task. I can edit the task details. I can change its status. When it's completed, I can mark it complete. So that's what I wanted to show you. So you have seen how we were able to create a CRM plus to-do list app in just a few minutes. And I think AI did a pretty good job. It got 90% of my app correct. It just messed up a few things, like header text was incorrect. It didn't put a page in the menu. But those are very, very minor things. And for me, it's really easy that once the app is built, I can go to the no-code tools and I can do those minor changes. And that gives me a lot of control going forward. Even if, when the app is built later down the line, if I want to make any changes, I can use the no-code tools, or I can go back to the AI and I can ask the AI to make those changes. Either way, I have complete flexibility to modify my app even after it's built. So this app builder is right now, it's in private beta. So if you want to get early access to it, just send an email to hello@fuzen.io and our team will help you get access to it. And if you have any feedback, we'll be very happy to hear it from you. And that's it from me. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. That's it from me. Have a good day.